So, first attempt at doing this SMD stuff. This is one of those practice boards I got, and this is the easiest one because I have a bit of saga with trying to get the microscope, but anyway, I'll talk about that in a minute. So yeah, relatively straightforward. The biggest risk actually is trying to get those bloody little components out of the strips that they come in. And one of the there's a single 10 meg resistor, and when I picked it up with the tweezers, it pinged out of the tweezers, and of course it's gone forever. So just to finish off the kit, I just took a quarter watt 10 meg in here, and we seem to be good. Not a particularly pleasant exercise to do, but however, the result is, when I can get the batteries to hang in there, is we have a circuit which appears to work. So all the different pieces seem to work okay. So saga with the microscope. It looks like I got scammed on eBay, and so the buyer that I ordered from never sent any shipping confirmation, no shipping tracking number, no nothing. I've written to the guy at least twice, saying what's up, what's happening. No reply, nothing at all. So the deadline for when it said it would arrive is Monday, and so on Tuesday I will be asking eBay for a refund and hope I can get my $100 back. So we shall see. So there we go. So until I get this microscope thing sorted out, I'm probably not going to be doing anymore, because I can't really show you anything, because you know my head is right down against this thing with the magnifier on, just trying to get it done. So there's no way you could stick a camera in there as well at the same time. So there we go, guys. Bad luck with my Microsoft purchase on eBay, but as soon as I get that sorted out, we'll have some more on SMD.